Wow！
沙瓦呢周，沙瓦呢周都好歡迎大家收睇側田有理。大家食飯未？見兩位食飽飯嘛？食飽了會。突然間覺得好好笑，唔係因為一個音樂，係因為突然間諗到一樣嘢，覺得好好笑，你覺得好笑喺度笑。嗱，你食咗就快啲入嚟啦，請及，OK。所以今日咧就本來咧係想揾如果你哋前幾日睇到我同大家分享嘅呢一張相嘅話，呢個電視嘅呢個相嘅話咧，就應該知道我今日同大家講啲咩，就係我揾唔到同佢有啲有關嘅，呢個就同呢個 TV 有關嘅，所以我暫時攞呢個嚟頂住檔先 ，OK。所以今日咧，我同大家講下呢個。第一套TVB 第一套1996年嘅《西遊記》，即是由張衛健、黎耀祥、江華同埋麥長青所演嘅呢一個電視劇。所以大家咁今日咧，我就會同大家傾下呢一套電視劇啦，咁經典嘅，梗係要同大家傾下噶啦，好唔好 ？OK， 就俾大家個1分鐘嘅時間，我哋6點43分就開始啦。係啦，如果今日咧，你哋覺得今日嘅話題有啲咩想問嘅話，你哋可以留低你嘅口信話俾我聽啊，咁我就會逐一咁同大家解答嘅。OK， 嚟親級溜，咩見我嘅見拜師見啲啩 OK， 可以開始啦。所以首先咧就同大家重溫下，俾大家少少嘅一啲資料咁啦嚇。所以呢一套呢一套搞乜鬼嘅呢一套《西遊記》咧，就係由1996年咧係 TVB 嘅29年週年嘅台慶劇啦。咁其實今日我諗到咧，同大家傾呢一個電視劇集都唔會阻大家太多嘅時間。今日我亦都知道大家會有好多嘢要做啦，咁所以我都唔會拖大家太多時間啦，所以就會同大家傾下入邊啲劇情啦嚇。OK。So 大概主要嘅嘢都講到咗啦，所以咧我就會同大家講下邊一個部，即係講成套劇入邊咧，我係比較中意邊一個集數嘅呢一個主題嘅。首先咧就係我至中意嘅咧就係白骨精，唔知大家顧名思義，我覺得大家都會有一個共鳴，都係好中意白骨精嗰 part 嘅。OK， 就係由第13集到17集嘅咧，就係講關於個白骨精嘅。所以我覺得咧，如果想講解下呢一個白骨精，我覺得佢好古惑，因為佢一直，我覺得佢好似我哋 Charm 入邊嘅一個 shapeshifter 咁樣啦，就好中意扮呢個人，因為佢想點樣講？佢想整蠱孫悟空，所以佢就會到每一個地方見到孫悟空嘅時候咧，佢就會扮當地嗰個人咧，就會令到孫悟空誤會啦。咁就令到孫悟空咧就無意中就打錯咗人咁嘅一個古仔啦。所以我就真係覺得，老實講，細個睇嘅時候咧，我就覺得呢個白骨精真係好古惑。有時咧，孫悟空嘅金睛火眼又唔係話冇效，只不過咧，因為你知道㗎啦，你知道呢啲妖精啦，佢哋啲妖術係個精咗啦，因為道行都有1000年嘅道行啦嘛，所以咧有時咧就會好蠱惑啦，有整蠱到孫悟空佢哋啦，所以就會令到佢哋誤會啦，會打錯咗人啦。所以我覺得係好精彩嘅。但老實講咧，雖然我細個睇嘅時候咧，當喺第17集咧，孫悟空打死咗咧，我係有少少開心嘅。但如果講話我大個咗開之後又睇翻嘅話咧，其實我覺得白骨精都幾可憐嘅，因為可能佢啲背景然之後可能被逼要點樣講要修行修行變成白骨精然之後 用好多計仔去點樣講啊，去整蠱人啊咁樣。其實我係覺得，如果由佢嘅角度嚟睇嘅話咧，我就覺得話佢係可能真係冇得揀嘅一個情況底下，要做一個白骨精啦，好似啲狐狸精又好，或者咩都好啦，或者蜘蛛精都好，我覺得就真係就真係可以講係冇得揀咯。因為如果佢注定要變成一個乜嘢，佢就係咯，所以我覺得真係冇咩選擇嘅，但冇辦法，呢個真係劇情，即係講劇情嘅其中一個故事係要係要咁樣行，咁樣寫嘅劇情係咁樣行㗎啦。OK 嚇，因為呢啲係傳說，然之後都係編劇寫出嚟嘅嘢，所以我哋就要照住嘅故事行咯。所以我哋只不過想分析佢入邊嘅角色嘅一個背景咁樣啦，即係令我有啲乜嘢諗法咁樣，我就會同大家講下咁樣咯。OK，so 係咯，so 講開咗白骨精咧，就係講到盤絲洞就蜘蛛精嗰度啦。20集到25集，所以其實我覺得最令我深刻印象嘅咧就係最搞笑嘅地方就係因為我哋大家都知道，其實蜘蛛精係唔可以直行嘅，一定要打斜行，好似蟹咁樣行嘅。所以我就覺得佢有一段係最好笑咧，就係嗰個有幾隻蜘蛛精就喺嗰度游左游氣左游左氣，佢一段係最好笑嘅，我可以咁講係啦。所以我覺得係咯，除咗呢個蜘蛛精呢個點，我覺得最深刻印象咧就係張偉儀飾演嘅呢一個蜘蛛精啦，因為佢係喺蜘蛛精入邊咧，佢係羅蘭嘅大女啦。咁因為佢同呢個蜈蚣精之時係錢嘉樂係有一段嘅。OK， 咁其實咧老實講，我覺得到最後佢都係好慘，因為佢都係同呢個蜈蚣精一齊死咗嘅。所以雖然係話前邊我哋睇到佢有幾奸啊，或者係佢有幾咁用好多計仔嘅，其實我覺得呢啲妖精嘅呢啲命運咧，就係因為佢哋係已經被注定係一定要做壞事啦。雖然係話係啦，因為都講明係妖精嘛，所以肯定佢哋要做好多修行，咁先至可以變成人類，之後去嗰啲人啊，或者係吸取佢哋啲精華或者啲乜嘢咁樣樣。所以我係覺得話，其實佢哋嘅遭遇同埋命運其實都係好似白骨精咁樣嘅啫。我真係覺得到最尾又係點樣講啊？即係講又係收尾咧，又係會俾人哋打死，都係會俾孫悟空打死嘅一個收場。所以我就覺得，之前講你即係由佢嘅嗰個劇情開始時，你會覺得佢好似好風光啊，佢有幾咁架勢啊。其實到最尾你就會覺得話，其實佢都係會走唔出呢個命運啦，都係會俾呢一個孫悟空打死啦，因為佢哋始終都係妖精啊嘛。所以我覺得到咗最尾，其實都係會覺得好可憐嘅。其實嗰啲妖精，雖然喺人哋佛教嚟講咧，覺得話佢哋有幾衰或者咩咁樣啊，但我又覺得其實佢哋都有可憐嘅一面嘅，係。所以我覺得到最尾嗰個地方，其實我都會覺得細個時候我唔覺得傷心，因為細個嘛。咁大個之後再睇翻就真係幾同情佢哋啲遭遇嘅，係咁樣。OK， 所以呢個咧係我對於呢個盤絲洞嘅呢一個印象同埋啲諗法啦。OK， 所以講咗盤絲洞之後咧，就係講女兒國。好啦，我覺得呢個女兒國嘅呢一個地方咧，我細個睇嘅時候咧，我就覺得好令我不可思議。我就講男人都會大肚，即係 即係呢一樣嘢係點樣講？佢呢一樣嘢係你覺得，即係講我哋嘅一個好有邏輯嘅一個諗法，就係邊度有可能男人會大肚㗎啦？咁我哋嘅之前最自然嘅一個諗法就係女人大肚啦。所以咧，我嗰時候細個睇呢一集嘅時候咧，我就覺得，其實我有啲唔係好明嗰個邏輯嘅，係我係真係唔明嗰個邏輯嚇。飲一杯飲嗰度嘅咩女兒國嘅水之後咧，就會大肚啫。What is that？好細咩嚟嘅？I don't know. I cannot digest this thing 係啦 ，so 因為太細個啊嘛 ，so 之後大個咗睇翻，原來係一個魔幻嘅嘢嚟嘅，所以佢哋係好 fantasy 嘅嘢，所以佢哋飲咗之後會大肚 ，OK，then only I can understand the logic thing 係啦 ，so 我就覺得綜合咗呢一個3個單元咧嚇，其實我覺得我比較中意潘思彤多啲，係因為覺得潘思彤好有人情味啊，睇到佢哋有人情味嘅一面啦，所以覺得白骨精係冇啦，因為白骨精係真係衰到貼地嗰隻嘅，係要整蠱孫悟空，要陷害人哋咁樣，所以我覺得白骨精就係衰到好貼地嗰隻啦。咁潘思彤嚟佢家姐咯，佢大女就真係好勁嗰隻。咁我就比較會睇到原來潘思彤嗰幾隻蜘蛛精係有人情味多啲嘅，係啦。你如果我就覺得好比較 fantasy， 比較魔幻啲，我就覺得比較細個比較難接受呢一個嘢啦，係啦 ，OK。所以我就覺得咧，今日已經就同大家講咗呢一個《西遊記》，我對於《西遊記》嘅一個印象同埋一個回憶同埋一個諗法嘅 ，OK。我就轉台嘅啦噃。So now I would like to talk about Journey to the West, which is from the TVB version, which is 1996, which they published on 1996, and it is 29th anniversary of their TV drama. Okay, stars by Dicky Cheung, Mak Chong Cheng, and also Lai Yu Cheng. Okay, and actually this myth, right, legend, right, they have been separated into 3 different parts, which is one is the Bak Kut Jing, the demon white bone, okay, the spider web, the spider world, okay, and also Le Yi Guo, the world of daughter. I don't know how to explain, but okay, just go with it, okay? So from these 3 parts, right, actually I really love the spider world because you can see a lot of things where because as you can see the spider world, right, they are not really that bad, okay? If you would like to compare to the white bone lady, she is really evil because she uses a lot of way to trick孙悟空in order to let him to fall on her trap so that he can be able to kill off innocent. Yes, so that's the thing. Because the white bone lady is too smart. But even though she thinks that she's too smart, but end up she has been beaten off by孙悟空at the 17th episode. Okay, don't try to be too smart. Sometimes you have to be kind of stupid. Yeah, if you think too smart, then it's not a bad thing. It's not a good thing to you. Okay. Yeah, that's the thing. So yeah, so that's the thing. So I've already talk a little bit about the white bone lady, the spider web, and also the The Land of Lady. Okay, but throughout all three segment, right? Actually, I really love the Spider World because you can't imagine that actually they are not really that bad if you compare to the White Bone Lady and also the so I would think that for the Spider World segment, right, I really love that part because as you can see there is a lot of happening over there, a little bit of humanity happening over there, so it's for me it's kind of acceptable, I can say that. So so my most favorite part would be the Spider World. I don't know what would be your favorite, so maybe you can let me know which of the segment did you love the most and leave a message below and let me know. Okay, so 今日咧就同大家講咗《西遊記》嘅劇集啦。咁我最中意嘅咧就係呢個盤絲洞啦。所以如果你哋對於邊一個單元係你哋最中意嘅，你哋可以留低你哋嘅口信話俾我聽啦。所以今日咧我同大家傾嘅呢個《西遊記》嘅劇集咧就到此為止啦。So 今日咧就同大家講到呢一個我對於呢個《西遊記》嘅 TVB 劇集嘅呢一個印象同埋睇法嘅，所以如果你哋有啲咩睇法，你哋可以留低你嘅口信話俾我聽咧。咁我哋下一個 live 再見。如果係話你下一個 live 入邊你哋想我同大家傾啲乜嘢，你哋可以留低你哋口信話俾我聽。所以我哋下一個 live 再見㗎啦噃。ขอบคุณมากครับเจอกันแล้วทุกคน